Hello everyone, my name is Bruce. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a pergola. These are all the parts you're going to need for the pergola assembling. Here are the connections, screws, radio receiver. These are another part of connection. These are two. Here's the motor. Alright, so basically what we have for the pergola is three main parts. The pillars, the blades, and then the beams. And of course we have the motor here, this one. And for the top blades, we have two parts too. This one with LED light, the other one without. Before you actually get started, we have manual instruction for electrics and of course printing. And we strongly recommend you to check on it before you do the actual assembly. So if you are done, let's get started. If you want to see the specific parts, click on the description. We have chapters for you to check each parts. So firstly, we're gonna assemble the beams. Okay, we're gonna make a frame of it. And you can see it's lighted here, right? You're gonna do it like this. Four corners. And then we're gonna connect the four corners. We're gonna use this part for here. That's the outside. The other one is this one. Okay, now we are going to turn it around. And we're going to fix this one. Now you need to match this hole. But remember, all this hole you need to punch it in with the screws. Okay, so next step will be the pillars. Okay, so here there's a hole. It's matching to here. So now we have finished the frame, which is the beams and then the pillars. The next step, we are going to fix the roof. Okay. These are the roof blades. We have this, they are with lights, with LED light. This without. Okay. We are going to put them not at the same direction. Okay. We're gonna separate them. Here we have holes here, so put it like this. Be careful of this kind of blades with lights. You see they are attached with wires. So when you are installing them, well, try to not cut them. Okay, when you finish, before you put this cover, have a check if you have this part, right? It should go into here. Should lock the blade. When you're installing the pergola, there's one thing you need to take extra care. It's we will label all the parts. So you need to match all the parts for orders. For example, the blades, there it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers on the blades. You have to put them in order. Otherwise, there will be some glitches. These LED blades, we have wires to attach to it, but we can remove it, right? So we need to go into the hole on the beam. You see here, you can put it in. Next step, we'll put them back. All these wires will go into this hole. And then this is the receiver. This usually was pre-installed in the pillar. Okay, next one is the motor installation. First step, we're gonna install this bar. Okay, we're gonna use this kind of screw. It's screw P. Remember, in the reel, you will have numbers and put it on. You have to follow the numbers. The numbers should match which blade the number it's on. Okay, so firstly we're gonna match them, match the screw holes first. Okay, so this one should be good. This one should be good. And then we're gonna put them in. Now we need to put them fixed. Okay, final one will be the motor. Same, we put them in screws. Screw in, screw in. Okay. Okay, the motor, we need to go into this hole. This motor wire will go into this hole, and then remember it is 24 volts. You cannot connect it to any of this wire, and you have to go into the receiver. Okay, in this part, I'm going to teach you how to connect the electric parts. So firstly, we're going to see it's the radio receiver, this one and this one, right? This one is the LED receiver, and then here's the control panel. It looks like this. And there is connection at the back. So these are the two main parts, and other are the wires. Okay, then we're gonna put this aside. So when we finish, it should be like this, okay? So firstly, it's the electric. So the electricity, either it's from 110 or 220 volt. It's connected here, and it should written it's L and N. So that's from your house, the electricity from your house. And that's the first part. And next one, we are going to connect it to the motor, which is from here. It's same written as motor or DC here. Remember, you cannot connect your power from your house straightly to the motor, because the motor is 24 volts. You see here we comes out, it's 24 volt. So you cannot connect straight to this line. It should be the other side. And when the electricity comes out, it comes in to the receiver and then comes out to the motor, you connect this wire to the motor, right? So that's the second part. And then you can see here, same line, go in and then go out. All right, it comes out with the other receiver. This one is we control the LED lights, right? So it's like this. This is a cover, like this one. That's the inside. So the inside, firstly, it's the same as when you get in. Remember, when you get in, it is L and N. So you should connect it to L and N. And then the other side you will have R and N. That's coming out. So it's straight to the LED. So let me rephrase. From the outside, from the output. So this is 220 volt, or you may have 110. And then it comes out to this one, okay? And then the other way, R and N comes out to straight to the LED lights. You should have the LED lights wire connected to here. So that's the main idea how you connect it to the power. Another thing is don't worry about these two white wire. They are for signals. So basically, remember, don't connect the motor, the roof motor, straight to your output. They are different voltages. It will fry the motor. And when you do this right, you should be able to control the LED lights and then the motor. You can test it here. There will be lights to tell you is the signal through or not. Right, that's it. That's how you connect the electric parts of the pergola. Okay, final step will be the water cover. You have in the beam, last one. And for the beam too. In the real, I recommend you use the hammer, use a rubber hammer instead of using my thumb. The next step will be the water cover here. It's the same. I recommend you use a rubber hammer instead of your feet. It will hurt so much. Alright, that's all the parts you're gonna need for installing the pergola, including the lights and the roof. If you got any questions about installing of the website, you can refer to our staffs who you are associated with, or you can leave a comments